Apparently if you search on my makeup type on TikTok, you're supposed to get your makeup type, and I got Toasty makeup. So that means we have to make this glowy. So I went in with the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and then I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion because this is gonna make our skin glow, and we will be needing that. Okay, but this, yeah, I think my brush, I haven't used this brush in a hot minute, and I feel like it literally just ate everything up. Say goodbye to the other sponge, but she is rounder, but she's stunning. Going with my Milani Cheek Kiss cream bronzer, literally one of the best bronzer literally ever. For the price, she is so creamy. Like literally, would you just look at that? I'm just gonna put it all over. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I get really impatient and I just start swiping, which is a bad habit. Like I have to dab her in. But do you see how creamy this is? Some days I just remember that I have gotten a perm before to get my hair texture to look like this. And for those who don't know, I did that and then I got a straight perm. So when I get moments where I'm like, maybe I should do like a perm again, I'm just like, no, snap out of it. Whenever I do this, like it always gets in my hair. It just doesn't look great, but I'm gonna go with my Rode Pocket Blush. I'm gonna go with the shade Freckle. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Is that not stunning? And next we're gonna go with concealer. This is the Laura Infallible concealer in here. This honestly has a lot of coverage, so I do get a bit scared using too much. Ooh, this blend though is crazy. Add a bit more blush directly to my cheeks because I feel like the concealer was too cold. But the fun thing about makeup is honestly, like you can't go too heavy-handed. Like once you go too heavy-handed, you can just go back, you know what I mean? It's like literally, it feels like oil painting sometimes. I'm literally just oil painting on my face, which is actually so fun. The Dior Backstage eye palette literally just has all these beautiful shades. So I'm gonna go with this shade first. Put some color on my lids. You know what this makeup reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of, what's it called? Kind of reminds me of the Aussie girl makeup. Going with this like brown color. And I'm gonna, instead of using like a eyeliner, I'm gonna try to just do like a smoky liner with a brown eyeshadow. The Milani Baked Blush, because these blushes are kind of like, there's a metallic, it's kind of shimmery. I don't know if you can tell. Okay. Go with some bronzer, and I'm just gonna like slightly bronze all around my face. We're gonna go with the Morphe Sculpt Stick for my lip liner. I kind of want to overdraw my lips a little bit. This is the MAC Warm Teddy. I think it's like the perfect shade for a toasty makeup. So pigmented, and she's so stunning. So I'm just gonna like put some here, put some here. Dior highlighter for my cheekbones for that very natural glow. This is the MCO press powder right here. I'm just gonna do a bit of powder. I don't want to go too crazy, honestly. Like we don't need too much powder, but a little bit won't hurt. I love powdering, guys. Like I literally just feel like this is what the definition of toasty looks like.